The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine has left a trail of destruction, not only for humans, but also for the country's rich biodiversity. The relentless fighting in eastern Ukraine has led to widespread habitat destruction and fragmentation, leaving animals without access to food, shelter, and breeding grounds. One of the most concerning impacts is on the European lynx, a critically endangered subspecies found only in Ukraine's Carpathian Mountains. This wild cat relies heavily on the country's forests for survival, but its habitat has been severely fragmented by human conflict. The destruction of these critical habitats threatens not just the European lynx population, but also other species that share their ecosystem. The red fox has also seen its habitat destroyed, leaving it without access to food and shelter. These adaptable canines are an important part of Ukraine's ecosystem, playing a crucial role in controlling rodent populations that might otherwise damage crops or spread disease. The Przewalski's horse, a subspecies native to Ukraine's steppes and considered one of Europe's most endangered horses, is another casualty of the war. These magnificent animals have seen their numbers dwindle due to human conflict and land use changes over the years. The ongoing fighting has further exacerbated this decline, making conservation efforts even more challenging. Another European species affected by the war is the marten. These carnivores play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems as both predators and prey animals. However, their habitats have been destroyed or severely damaged due to artillery fire and bombing raids, leaving them without access to food sources and shelter. The conflict has also had an impact on bird populations, particularly those that migrate through Ukraine's skies each year. The conflict zone is home to numerous species of birds, such as woodpeckers, which rely on mature forests for nesting sites and insect food sources. The destruction of these habitats has left many bird species without essential resources, threatening their survival. The Dnieper-Donets sturgeon, an ancient fish species found in Ukrainian waters, is critically endangered due to a combination of factors including overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution. As the conflict escalates, concerns are growing about the potential impact on these iconic fish populations. The war in Ukraine also poses a significant threat to amphibians like the European common frog. These small creatures are an important part of the ecosystem as both predators and prey animals, but their populations have been declining due to habitat loss and pollution over the years. The ongoing conflict has further exacerbated this decline by destroying breeding grounds and disrupting ecosystems. Lastly, the war-torn region is also home to numerous species of reptiles such as European adders, which are venomous snakes that play a crucial role in controlling rodent populations. However, their habitats have been destroyed or severely damaged due to artillery fire and bombing raids, leaving them without access to food sources and shelter. Despite the challenges posed by the ongoing conflict, conservation organizations and government agencies have been working tirelessly to mitigate the impact of war on Ukraine's wildlife. In response to the crisis, emergency response teams from various international organizations, such as the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, have been deployed to Ukraine. Emergency responders are providing medical care to wounded wildlife, including birds, mammals, and reptiles. Teams are also distributing food and setting up temporary shelters for displaced or orphaned animals, ensuring their basic needs are met until they can be safely released back into the wild.